Hey, Science in the Park fans, this is Ben from Weber State, and I have another experiment for you to do while you're out from school and you have a couple days to just have some fun with some science. So, if you saw my previous episode, this is my crystal. It's been just 2-3 hours, and you can already see that there's some crystal growth, so it's gone from this to this. So, yeah, like I said, those grow really quick. But now I have some dry ice experiments that I'm going to show you. Dry ice isn't too expensive. It's about $1.30 a pound at different grocery stores, so you can pick that up at your grocery stores. I have a couple metal bowls here, mixing bowls. I have some dish soap, a little glass mixing cup here. I have a washcloth and some gloves to handle the dry ice. So to start off, I'm going to use this little mixing bowl, and I have just a cookie sheet here to keep the mess from getting everywhere. I'm going to already added some water. It's about half full of water, and now I'm going to just add some dish soap into it. A generous amount. And then I'm going to use my spoon here, and I'm going to mix it all up. And now I'm going to add some dry ice. So I'm going to put my gloves on when I handle the dry ice. Now dry ice is just CO2. And the reason it's called dry ice is because it goes from a solid directly to a gas. It doesn't really go through a liquid stage. So that's why it's called dry ice. Now, this is just CO2. This is the same stuff that you breathe out. It's the same stuff that comes out of tailpipes of cars. And it's also the same stuff in sodas when you drink. So it's just super, super cold. Now it's a solid. As you see, as I pull it out, it's smoking a little bit. Hopefully you can see that anyway. And I'm going to just throw it here into my little bucket here. And immediately you start seeing a bunch of bubbles. Now these bubbles are just filled with CO2 gas. And you can play with these, and it's really fun. As soon as you pop them, you can start seeing the smoke, the CO2 coming out. So this is one thing that we do at the parks. It's really fun. Just take some water, dish soap, and some dry ice. And this is something the kids can play with and have a lot of fun with. Now we can also make a giant bubble. I'm going to just stick this off to the side here and you can watch that bubble away. Also, metal bowl, about half full with water, and now I have this pre-mixed concoction of water and dish soap that I'm going to dab my washcloth in, and we'll just let it soak up a little bit. I'm going to grab some more dry ice, and just throw it in. Now as you can see, the smoke coming out, the dry ice, the CO2. It's really fun. You can play with the smoke a little bit, make little tornadoes. But I'm going to take my washcloth. I'm just going to go around the edge real quick. And then I'm going to slide the washcloth across. Now I've created a little bubble. Oh, and there it goes. Alright, so had to dump the bowl, get rid of all the soap. So I'm going to try this again, see if I can get a bigger bubble. So, got some water, once again, half full, and I'm going to put the dry ice in. Okay. Let's try this one more time, see if we can get a bigger bubble. Got a lot of excess there. Okay. There we go. There's a good bubble. Pretty fun. So this is definitely something you could do with your kids. Have fun with it. Just be careful with the dry ice. Poof. And we'll see you next time.